Today, we are in the garden and we're going to lay out the landscape fabric for when I grow my watermelons. What I normally do is I put them, there's holes I got in that landscape fabric on top of that little mound that I put my watermelon seeds, and they come up and I let them crawl all the way out this way. So yeah, I'm gonna trim this up, lay out the landscape fabric, and then we're gonna add some leaf compost. It's not broke down all the way, but same thing as the raspberries and blackberries, it will break down over time and feed our watermelon plants. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. All right, so this is what we got. 6 feet by 50. We got some of these staples. Hopefully it'll come all the way out to here. That's what I needed to. Because eventually, you know, we're gonna line it up, make it look real purdy-like. It'll get the job done though. All right, so we got one down, and I'm about to cut it right here and go right back up again. So should be enough to do two. Starting to look like something. Starting to look like something. And to keep it tight, I try to go every 3.5 feet. Oh, they got me. I got some scraps. I'll use some scraps. That might be more than 25. So we're done with this part. Now I'm gonna pull up where I put the watermelons, dig a trench, just like we did over there with the raspberries, and put in our chicken leaf compost in there that's not all the way broken down. We're gonna put that down there and mound it back up, lay the fabric back down, clean it up a little bit. Look like an old watermelon root. This was the stuff that was in the geo bin. Little baby worm. So they in there. They in there. Got to come up out the hoodie, y'all. Getting hot out here. I might do another. Look what I found in the daggone compost. 2 loads of this. Then we're gonna bury it back. So now I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit, put the fabric back, and then clean that up also, put some new staples in so it can be tight down there. All right, so we done with this. So each one of these holes gonna have 2 to 3 seeds in it. Sangria watermelons, and they're gonna crawl that way on that landscape fabric, where we're gonna do 0 weeding, hopefully. Appreciate y'all for tuning in to this one. That's how I set up my watermelon. Stay tuned, because we're gonna do the whole garden plot over here. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna put everything and how it's gonna look, because I'm going all the way out past that little bush tree thing right there. Like that pathway over there is coming up. I'm going past that because I'm gonna build my daughter a herb garden, because she wants to become a herbalist. So I'm gonna build her a little herb garden with raised beds or maybe pots, I'm not sure, but it's gonna be over there. But all this is gonna be our vegetables. But I normally let my watermelons crawl this way. So that was the video for today. Appreciate you guys for tuning in, and to the next one.